Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.
Alam mo, honey, I really love summer. Unang-una, we get to enjoy the pool almost every day. The water is so warm and the pool is very inviting. Come on, let's go take a dip.
Alam mo ba, honey, tuwing summer talaga, everything is beautiful. The birds are singing, the plants are in bloom. Tingnan mo yung langka natin, namunga na.
Yeah.
And the water, it's really so refreshing. But the hotness, it's so sizzling. Grabe ang init. This is what it's like in marriage when it's first starting out. Everything is hot in summer, just like marriage in summer.
Alam mo, honey, meron din 4 na season ang marriage. Of course, merong summer, merong fall, winter, and the spring. Magandang pag-usapan natin ngayon yan, Han.
Sabi nila, Han, every relationship daw goes through the 4 seasons. At dito sa Happy Bahay, Happy Buhay, we are always proactive. Mainam na alam natin ito so that when they hit us, prepared na tayo. Kayo po, what season are you in? The first season of marriage is summer. Likas sa bagong mag-asawa ang madly in love with each other. Malagkit ang tinginan, panay ang bulungan ng sweet nothings. Alam mo yan, honey, everything is perfect and you can't do no wrong. All you see is good. Remember those days, hon? Pero hindi po laging summer.
Dahil dumarating din ang fall.
Yes.
In this season, things starts to cool down and leaves starts to fall off. Unti-unti na siyang nalalagas, honey. The honeymoon period is over and done. It's starting to fade away. So sa unang pagkakataon, honey, ito yung times na makikita mo yung mga flaws ng partner mo o ng asawa mo. For example, napakalakas niya palang maghilik sa gabi, so iritang-irita ka, honey. Ito yung time na medyo naiinis ka na sa kanya kasi nagsisimula na yung a little conflict o konting
Kita mo na.
pagtatalo. Honey, ito yung season na kailangan nating bantayang mag-asawa.
Dahil maaari pong mauwi sa winter.
Right.
Kapag tag-init, things become frigid. It starts snowing, the trees look all dead, and birds stop singing. When a couple is in their winter season, they don't feel happy and in love anymore. Andyan ang mga unresolved conflicts, resentments, regrets, and thoughts of giving up. Pero wag po tayong susuko because this is just a normal stage of the seasons of marriage. At alam niyo po, lahat naman at one point pagdadaanan nito. All the more you pray together, communicate, and get counseling if need be.
Never say die.
Amen.
Yan dapat ang mga motto ng mag-aasawa, honey.
Yes.
Because spring always comes. The Lord will restore the warmth and the love in your relationship. Flowers will start to bloom and grasses will once again turn greener. We learn to resolve conflicts as we grow from our mistakes, honey. This is the stage where our commitment pulls us back together.
The Lord designed marriage for us to make a covenant vow to each other, for us to go through the highs and the lows, through all the joys and sorrows, and through all the seasons of marriage.
Lagi po nating tandaan na ang mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Na pagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy buhay!
Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.